Good morning guys, in this video we'll consider VLOOKUP formula in Excel. So let's start the video without delay. Before that, do subscribe channel and watch till the end. Let's start the video. Here you can see a table, vertical table, of which the first column is product, mainly 5 products are listed. The second column is quantity and third column is price of each product. VLOOKUP formula mainly look up the product from the entire table and the corresponding quantity or price will be fetched. Which column you want, quantity or price, you have to specify that also. For example, here you can see I am looking for the product sugar, and in the price section I am going to write VLOOKUP formula, and it starts something like this: equal to VLOOKUP open bracket and then the product cell name. Here it is sugar, means B9. And then you have to give the table range, means from which cell to which cell you are looking for this product. Here I am looking in this table, so the range is from A1 to C6. After giving the range, next step is to give which column you are looking for. Here I am looking for price column, that means the number is 3, product is 1, quantity is 2 and price is 3. So we are looking for the column price, the number is 3. Next you have to give, do you want exact or similar match from this formula. Here I want exact match, so I am giving 0. That's all. After writing the equation, just click outside that cell. Yeah, now you get the output of that formula. Now it is 40, you can see. From the table you can see the price is also for sugar is 40, means you got the right output from this formula. Now you can see I'm changing the product from sugar to milk. You can see on the price section the price is also changed, it is 20. From the table also you can verify that the price of milk is 20. Like that, if you change the product to something else, the corresponding price also will be changed automatically. Next section is data validation. Here we are adding drop down list for the looked up products, means all the products will be listed on this drop down list. You don't have to write each time the product name. From the drop down list you can select the products and corresponding price will be changed automatically on the price section. For adding drop down list, what you need to do is just select the cell, and from the data menu section you have to select data validation. You will see a pop-up. Here first of all you have to give the validation criteria as list. Second, you have to give the source. Here the source is product list. Just select all the products and give it as a source for this drop down list. After that you can press OK button. Once you press OK button, you can see drop down list is successfully added. Now next is you have to give the VLOOKUP formula for the item selected on the drop down list. You can see the VLOOKUP formula is developed based on the cell B11. After entering the formula, you can see the corresponding output is obtained as a result of this formula. If you change the product from the drop down list, you can see the corresponding price is also changed automatically. Here we understood data validation. Next we consider if there are more quantity in the product, how it affects the price, means we calculate the price of the product with respect to the quantity using VLOOKUP formula. Here you can see we'll be first adding the product section, means we are adding data validation section. Once we add the data validation, next we write the equation for the price, means VLOOKUP formula will be written here. After writing the formula, you can see we are getting the price of each product that is selected on the drop down list. Next we consider quantity, means how much quantity is selected for this product. For example, here you can see we are taking the product as salt. For that 4 quantity is selected, and now we are going to calculate the total. Total is price into quantity. Here you can see price cell is C14 multiplied by quantity cell is D14. As a result of this, you can see the total will be obtained for 4 quantity of salt. Here advantage is that if we change any of them, product or count, the corresponding price and total will be changed automatically. So here we understood what is VLOOKUP formula and then data validation and how quantity can be changed. So guys, that's all in this video. In this video I have considered VLOOKUP formula in Excel. If you're in doubt, write in comment section. If you like this video, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.